Have you ever wondered why Japan has one of the longest life expectancies in the world? It's not just about their diet. There's a secret that millions of Japanese people, especially seniors, practice every single morning. It's simple, it's effective, and today, I'm going to share it with you. This isn't some grueling workout or a complicated routine. It's called Ragyo Teiso, which translates to radio calisthenics. Imagine waking up, turning on the radio or TV, and joining the entire nation in a gentle 3-minute exercise routine. That's exactly what it is. For nearly 100 years, since 1928, this has been a cornerstone of Japanese daily life. So, what makes Ragyo Teiso so special? First, it's incredibly accessible. You don't need any equipment, you don't need a gym membership, and you don't need a lot of space. You can do it in your living room, in your pajamas. The exercises are designed to be low impact, focusing on improving flexibility, boosting circulation, and gently waking up every muscle in your body. It's the perfect way to start your day, especially for seniors who want to maintain their mobility and energy without putting stress on their joints. The routine starts with gentle stretches, reaching your arms up high, as if you're greeting the morning sun. Then, it moves into rotating your arms to loosen up the shoulders, a common area of stiffness. You'll do gentle side bends to stretch your torso and improve your posture. There are also leg movements, like light knee bends and leg raises, to get the blood flowing in your lower body. Every movement is synchronized with a simple piano melody and a calm, encouraging voice counting you through it. It's almost like a moving meditation. Think about it. You're moving your body through its full range of motion. This helps maintain joint health, prevents stiffness, and can even improve your balance, which is crucial for preventing falls as we get older. This sense of community is a huge factor in mental and emotional well-being. It combats loneliness and creates a positive shared experience to kickstart the day. It's a beautiful reminder that we're all in this together, moving toward a healthier life. This collective energy is contagious. When you know that millions of others are doing the exact same movements at the exact same time, it creates a powerful sense of connection and motivation. It's not just an exercise. It's a national ritual that fosters unity and a shared commitment to health. For many seniors in Japan, it's the first social interaction of their day, a chance to chat with neighbors and feel part of something bigger. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but I don't live in Japan. How can I try it? That's the best part. Thanks to the internet, Ragyo Teiso is available to everyone, everywhere. You can find countless videos on YouTube that guide you through the entire routine, complete with the original music and instructions. You can search for Ragyo Teiso, that's Ragyo, and you will find versions for all fitness levels. There's Ragyo Teiso number 1, the most common and gentle routine, and number 2, which is a bit more vigorous. Why not try incorporating this into your own morning routine? Imagine replacing that first scroll through your phone with 3 minutes of mindful movement. Instead of feeling groggy, you could feel energized, centered, and ready to take on the day. It's a small change that can have a massive impact on your physical health, your mental clarity, and your overall sense of well-being. Let's quickly walk through a few of the key movements so you know what to expect. The first exercise is a simple stretch. You stand with your feet shoulder widths apart, raise your arms out to the sides, and up over your head, taking a deep breath in. Then you exhale as you bring them back down. This simple move opens up your chest and fills your lungs with fresh morning air. Next, you'll do arm and shoulder circles. This is fantastic for releasing tension in your neck and upper back. You'll circle your arms forward a few times, then backward. The key is to keep the movements smooth and controlled, not jerky. It's about waking the muscles up, not shocking them. Then there are torso twists and side bends. These are great for your spine and core. You'll gently twist from side to side or bend over to touch your toes, always moving within a comfortable range. Remember, this isn't a competition. The goal is to feel a gentle stretch, not to push yourself to the limit. It's about listening to your body. One of the most iconic moves involves bending your knees in time with the music while swinging your arms. It's a rhythmic, joyful movement that gets your heart rate up just a little bit. It feels less like exercise and more like a gentle dance. And that's the magic of Rajio Teiso. It makes fitness feel fun and effortless. So the secret is out. Japan's formula for senior fitness isn't a high-tech gadget or an expensive supplement. It's a simple, time-tested tradition of starting the day with gentle, mindful movement, often in the company of others. It's about consistency over intensity. A few minutes every day adds up to a lifetime of better health and mobility. I challenge you to try it for 1 week. Just 1 week. Find a Rajio Teiso video online and follow along each morning. See how you feel, notice if you have more energy. See if that morning stiffness starts to fade away. You might be surprised by how such a simple practice can transform your entire day, and maybe even your entire outlook on aging and fitness. It's a beautiful lesson that staying active doesn't have to be complicated or strenuous. It can be as simple as rising with the sun and joining a tradition that has kept millions of people healthy and happy for generations. Give it a try. Your body and mind will thank you. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into health and wellness from around the world. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try Rajio Teiso. See you in the next video.